The Hspdp has urged the state government to amend the Khasi Garo language by notifying under the Meghalaya State Language Act 2005 Section 6 as an official language to enable unemployed youth to compete by recognizing the Khasi language mark sheet certificate obtained as an official language, which will make them eligible for recruitment in the Department of Post GDS section as well as in all the central government offices. The Hspdp met the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on this matter on Wednesday.
Associate Officer Language, the Balpikalano Officer Language. Being Yaganin Ray, Yawani Kundu, Senior Postmaster, Ban Tip Yaka Jisha Balikaniko Kumni, but Khasi Samajin Kimokam. Kaekabungi, Gintip Polomba. Namar bakam deka official language. Hakababun kini ka recruitment. Kiyo dikiwe pat ki bamde Khasi ngalam no. Kata namar baki namar deka direct recruitment. Ki pek tani ki mark sheet but marks.